Caroline. I'm in Klang now for our fourth project. We are interviewing the owner of Bird Nest producer. So come, I'll show you all the Swiftlet birds. So wait for our video. I hope our video will be nice. Thank you. This is the bird nest. The normal bird nest, they normally harvest 1 month once. This is the 1 month bird nest. But this one, you can see 3 layers now. 1, 2, 3. So about 3 months. Yeah, this is the king size. So this is the normal bird nest. This is all freshly harvested. Okay.